Morning everyone, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. So good morning, and good afternoon, good evening to all of you. So welcome to my small YouTube channel. So today guys, I will make our food, Philippine food. So our chicken, I already stocked it with lemon. So later on I will wash it first before I cook. So we have here the bihon. So dito tayo sa ating bihon. So we have also onion, garlic, carrots, ginger. We have also cabbage here, and we have the green leaves onion. So para masarap yung ulam natin ngayon. So let's do it. We just wash everything and cut everything so I can show you. Later on, I will show you. Let's do it. I will cut it first. Bye. It's already hot, so we will put oil. We will put our put water. This one, guys. Okay, para maglambot siya. We'll add our ginger. Ito yung pang-ano. In case lagyan natin lahat chilies. Guys. Water para hindi kasi yung tubig lahat. Ganyan. Para maluto yung manok. Lagyan natin ng ating carrots, guys. Takpan natin ulit. Guys, nilipat ko sa malaking kaldero yung ulam namin kasi walang sabaw yun. Yung ano, ulit. Ulitan mo. Yan na rin natin yung ating oh, guys. Pang isang baryo yan, guys. Ano natin. Guys, ating ulam for today. Ang isang baryo. Ito yung kanin. Ang isang baryo yung niluluto. So, yung manok. Yan yung kanin natin. Kainan na. Let's go.